Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Wednesday. Today, we are going to look at some more teen numbers. And I bet by now these numbers look pretty familiar to you. So before we start, we're going to go ahead and just say the teen numbers as I point to them. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent job. So that's how we usually count them, but today we're going to talk about the say 10 way of counting. And the reason we do that for teen numbers is because it's super important to realize where these numbers are coming from. So we've looked at this a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and draw it out for us again. This is the number 11. 11 comes right after 10 because it is made up of 10 and 1. Okay? Right after that, we've got 12. 12 also has a 10 in it and a 2. And then we're going to move on to 13, which also has that 10 right there. 10 and 3. 14 is 10. And it's got some extra there. You can see it's got 4 extra. 15 is, if you said 10 and 5, nice job. We're going to move down to 16. How am I going to write 16? 16's got its 10 right there on the left. And 6. 17, 10. And how many more? 10 and 7 extra. 10 and 8. 19 is 10 and 9. So when I get down to these ones like 16, 17, 18, and 19, it can be a little tricky because when I say the number 16, it sounds like the 6 should come first. That's when it's really important to remember that we are adding up tens. 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8. It would be really weird if we said 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 6. That doesn't follow our pattern. And remember, a lot of things in math and numbers are patterns because we're not trying to confuse you. You want to see the pattern, and we want you to see the pattern so that you can become a better mathematician. So we stopped off here at 19, which remember starts with the 10. 10 and 9. And now we have 20. 20 doesn't have anything over here, huh? That's a 0. It's got 0 extra. But it has more than 1 10 over here. And I know that because 10 and 0 would just be 10. How many more does it have? If you watched the pattern go from here to here, you might be ready to say 10 and 9, 10 and 10. And the reason I left that 0 over there is because it's important to know that over here, the furthest right, the one in the right-hand column, the ones place, the how many extra, it still says 0. So it's not 10 and 10. It's 10 and 10 and 0 more. You could also write it as 2 10s and 0 extra. All right. Let's go through our teen numbers quickly and go ahead and just count them the say 10 way. That's the numbers in blue. We're going to practice say 10. Ready? 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 8, 10 and 9, 10 and 10, and 0. Nice job. So today, you're going to have 2 math assignments that you can work on in the Google Classroom. The first one, you're going to see a lot of things and you're just going to go ahead and circle the extras. So let me show you how that works. Okay, I'm just going to draw dots. You're going to get some better pictures when you do the assignment. Okay, so you're going to see some pictures like this. You're going to see your 10 right here. 1, 10. And then it's going to say something like 2. Okay? Ooh, sorry about that. There we go. I'm going to say 10 and 2. But that's more than 2. So your job is going to be to circle just the 2. Does that make sense? Let's try it one more time. I'm going to leave that 110 there because they're all team numbers today, and all team numbers have just 110. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's have 110 and 4. So now your number you're looking for is 10 and 4. 10 is already circled. We need to circle 4 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. That's going to be your first one. And the other one's going to be super simple. It's just going to ask you to fill in okay? There's going to be a blank spot here and here. So we'll do 1, 10, and 1, 1, 10, and 2, 1, 10, and 3, 1, 10, and 4, and so on. And so you can practice the count 10 way for team numbers. Have a great day.